Hey guys, I am back with some easy quilt blocks. Today we're working on a clean modern star. So you're going to need one 8.5-inch middle piece, whatever color you want. And you are going to need 4 5-inch blocks in color A, which usually is white. And you need 4 5-inch blocks in color B, which in my case is a navy polka dot. And by the way, I will be sending this in a PDF format to all of my fabric VIPs. So if you want to get on that list and get all my free PDFs and tutorials, which I send out every week, all you have to do is go to karinagardner.com and click on exclusive VIP. You can join there. Or you can click on my profile link and there is a link there for becoming a fabric VIP. All right, so what you're going to do, or what you're going to start by doing, is the 4 of your white one that you have, I want you to mark each one with a diagonal. So all you're going to do is take your ruler, lay it along that diagonal, and do a pencil line. Super easy, right? Then you're going to sandwich with the right sides together, one of color A and one of color B, okay? And what you're going to do is you're going to sew a 1/4 inch on either side of that pencil line, okay? So on either side of that line, I'm going to sew a little line. So I'm going to do that really quick here. All right. Can you guys see those 2 little sewed lines? So now I'm going to use that pencil line and I'm going to cut it apart. So you get 2 blocks out of this half square triangle. Okay, so if I open these up, these should be about 4.5 by 4.5, but you're going to want to measure it and you're going to want to press. So I like to press mine to the darker fabric just because it doesn't show up as well. So I'm going to press that way. I've got 2 of them, right? So press both of them. And then I am going to trim these to 4.5. It's going to be really, really close. So I'm just going to measure it, make sure I'm pretty good here. Trim it down a bit. Okay, trimmed up. There we go. There's our second block. So I went ahead and did this so that you should come up with a total of 8 of these blocks. So here's your center. So if you want to lay it out, okay, let's see if you guys can see it. You can see it a bit. So depending on how you want your star to look, if you want the white or the blue to be the thing that's concentrated on. Ooh, there we go. So I've got these going out and I'm just going to do that on this side. Okay, you guys, I've got it laid out and I realized I failed to mention that you also need 4 4.5-inch squares. I have it in the white version and those are just extra to put in your corners. So you can see, I know it's very difficult to see, but you can see that I've got them in the corners here. So just choose a side to start once you've laid it all out. And I know it's very difficult for you to see how it's laid out, but basically this, I've got the 2 white pieces in the middle and the blue on the outside so that you're creating kind of a star shape. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fold over and basically sew together one whole line here. So we're going to start with that. Here's a quick peek at that. I'm going to do the other side. And then once you get these 2 pieces together, you can see you can just put them together. And I'm going to sew those 2 pieces together till you get a strip like that. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that on the opposite side and I'm also going to press this. Okay, this is my second one that goes at the top of this. So I just finished that. Next, what you're going to do is go ahead and sew the side ones together. So I've got 2 sets of those. I'm going to do that really quick. Okay, so I did finish both of these sides. So there's just 2 pieces. So what you're going to do is you're going to have right sides together with your big 8.5-inch block and go ahead and sew that together. And then do that to the other side so you can see how cute that is. Okay, so I'm gonna press this, but you can see how cute that's turning out. I'm just gonna do quick press. And then you can see that now it is the length needed to put this piece on. So you can see I've got right sides together. Woo! Fell right down. And if you want to make sure things are lined up, go ahead and pin it, okay? So I'm not going to do it for the sake of just doing this fun, simple, quick block with you, but just know if you really want it to line up, which you do, you basically want this to line up, go ahead and match up the seams there. Okay, I just need to press it, but isn't that so cute, you guys? I'm actually loving these colors. I wasn't sure how it was going to turn out, but if you have a chance, join my VIP group and I'll make sure and send you this PDF. It just has the dimensions for you for each of these little blocks. It doesn't have instructions. You'll have to come back to the tutorial to see how to put it together, but pretty darling, right? I hope you have a chance to make it.